7 steps to make her chase you after ignoring you. Ever felt the sting of being ignored by the woman you want? What if I told you there's a way to flip the script and make her chase after you? Don't let her silence knock your confidence. In today's video, I'll reveal 7 proven steps to turn things around, even if she's giving you the cold shoulder. Get ready to be the one she can't stop thinking about. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel where we tackle the real dynamics of modern relationships. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on powerful tips to improve your relationships, confidence, and communication skills. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now let's dive into it. So she's ignoring you. It can feel like a punch to the gut, and all those feelings of self-doubt start creeping in. You wonder, what did I do wrong? Or, how can I make her see my worth? But here's the truth. In most cases, chasing after her only drives her further away. Instead, what if you could use this situation to make her intrigued by you? We're not talking about playing mind games here. We're talking about genuinely shifting your mindset and actions so that she starts seeing you in a whole new light. And guess what? When done right, these steps don't just make her notice you again. They make her want to be around you, crave your attention, and ultimately, chase after you. Ready to take control of the situation? Let's go through the 7 steps. Step 1. Stop chasing and start focusing on yourself. The first rule is counterintuitive but powerful. Don't chase. If you're always available or constantly trying to reach out, it sends the message that you're desperate. Take a step back and focus on building your life. Go to the gym, pursue a new hobby, or hang out with friends. She'll start noticing that you're not around, and curiosity will creep in. This creates an air of mystery, making her wonder what you're up to. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Step 2. Level up your confidence. Confidence is magnetic. When you stop depending on her attention for your self-worth and work on boosting your own confidence, you instantly become more attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who are secure, self-assured, and comfortable in their own skin. Start working on areas where you might feel insecure, whether it's your appearance, social skills, or passions. Your newfound confidence will make her notice you in a way she never has before. Step 3. Limit social media engagement. Here's a big one. Resist the urge to like her posts, comment, or reply to her stories. If you're always engaging with her online, she'll know you're still very much focused on her and the mystery is lost. Instead, let her see that you're enjoying your life without her constant updates. When she realizes you're not giving her online attention, it'll trigger curiosity. And yes, she'll start wondering what's happening in your life. Step 4. Be unpredictable in your availability. If she does reach out, don't always jump at the opportunity to reply immediately. Be polite but not overly eager. This isn't about ignoring her completely, but about showing that your life doesn't revolve around her. Respond when you're genuinely available, not the moment her message comes through. This unpredictability is intriguing and it keeps her guessing. Trust me, a little mystery can work wonders. Step 5. Improve your physical presence. No one can resist someone who's glowing and taking care of themselves. Start working on yourself physically. Whether it's hitting the gym, upgrading your wardrobe, or even just adopting a healthier lifestyle, when she sees you looking better than ever, it'll spark her interest. It's a subtle but powerful way to remind her of what she's missing out on. Step 6. Focus on building a life of value. Here's a golden rule. Attract her by the life you're building, not by the attention you give her. If she sees you working towards your goals, hanging out with positive people, and enjoying your life, she'll be drawn to the value you bring. When she realizes you're a man on a mission, she'll want to be part of that story. After all, everyone loves being around someone with a purpose. Step 7. Show appreciation, not neediness. Finally, if and when she does come back around, show appreciation, but never come across as needy. Neediness is a big turnoff, but appreciation shows maturity. Let her know you're glad to hear from her, but don't lose your composure. Keep it cool, calm, and collected. This approach shows that while you're interested, you don't depend on her for happiness or validation. This confidence is like a magnet. It pulls her closer without pushing her away. And there you have it. 7 powerful steps to make her chase after you even if she's been ignoring you. The key here isn't manipulation. It's about building a life so captivating that she can't help but want to be part of it. If you found these steps helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on relationships, confidence, and creating a life that others are drawn to. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.